Hello, let's try TensorFlow.js into the integrated development environment in Web 3.5. So the model, yeah, we are not interested in models. We are interested in the uh, basic functionalities of TensorFlow.js. Let's see if we can do something. So in order to do that, we just need to add the initial script here, and that should satisfy our needs. I'm using cursor this time. I have to go into this link and let's see what we can do here and inspect. Oops, no, not that one. So here I am able to load 10 TF. I think that should be TF tensor. For example, I can create some kind of tensor like this and do addition of TF tensors. I think you cannot do the addition directly. It's not like Python versions, so they become like a string summation. You need to add like this. So the final thing should be data. um, I don't remember how was it that we are getting. Yeah, something like this, right? Yeah, this is the Keras version that they are showing. Um, Data or something like that. And can I do the await here? Await. They're asynchronous so that you see the two afterwards. It's not that simple. Let's try some of the things here. Here we have the model, sequential model, and we are adding one layer. It becomes like a linear regression problem. So here you have the input data and output data. These are the shapes. So this is the input, this is the output. Once you do the model fit, model predict should you give you some estimation. That is what we expect. And let's say tensor, that is the function. Like, what is the function that we have seen? 2x minus 1, right? 2x. So TensorFlow, tensor, if we say 1, it should be 2x minus 1 should be equal to 1. That await and maybe make it equal to x data should be 1. I think that is what we expect. Await, so I need to await 1. Yeah, there is a slight difference because it's a approximation still. It may not be perfect, but that is what we are seeing right now in this console. And right now, the next thing that we can use is, okay, can we do a, um, in here, maybe it's like um, network, let's say neural networks package, new file JS, and say create a function that does flop count benchmark using TensorFlow.js. So I want to create that function in this neural networks JS as a benchmark function. So I can make it smaller. Waiting for it. While waiting for it, I can do the submission. So these are some changes that we have, and we can keep them. LLM response last time, so let me not forget. Yes, send those changes. Go to the neural networks. It seems slower than my expectation. Okay, nice. I mean, it looks like a big one. So TensorFlow benchmark, and this is the different shapes of the tensors, and it uses three-dimensional tensors. It's okay. It's possible to use two-dimensional as well. It benchmarks the convolutions and does some benchmarking operations. That's nice. And I need to add this into the script as well after the TensorFlow.js script src neural network. Why it doesn't appear, I don't know. JS, and then I'm hoping that it should be available here as a function. That is what we have as run flow benchmark. Let's see. Our doesn't seem that it's appearing. What is missing? Neural networks JS. Oh, it should be underlying this folder. It's in the wrong place. So I can run this benchmark right now. So it is doing the benchmarking, and we are seeing, is it using, one thing that I'm interested, is it using any GPU? Check if it used GPU. So I'm expecting TensorFlow.js also should support GPU with WebGL system. Let's see if that is the case. And we can look at this forward pass. This is 75 gigaflops, multiplication 128 gigaflops. That's good numbers, I would say. Um, GPU, let's see GPU stats. So this is the TensorFlow.js version. Some adjustments could be done, like even user interface is good. That works in the console, right? I'm waiting for it. Yep. All right. That's fine. No, I don't want an example. Accept. No, there is no. I think this is the thing. So since we moved it, it goes here. It should go here instead. So let's see if the benchmark that is available. It's failing this time. Okay. No, it's requiring some additional things. So here is the upper level. But let's check. I mean, we can just look at that level instead. Yeah, it doesn't satisfy our requirement this time. Here is the error. And I don't want to wait for a new one. I think that's previous one is enough. Let's keep that way. And this, yeah, this is what we want to see. Yeah, yeah, these are some failures. Okay, I think what we need to do, maybe that's okay. Let's accept, and let's see if there is any. Yeah, that is doing. Right now it's doing GPU comparison, WebGL info. It's running on my GPU. Does it refresh? I can see my GPU is getting used, but somehow it doesn't work well. Okay, I'm giving up here. I don't need to complete. Go to trash and go to here and refresh that as this one. And we can do this run log benchmark to see that is working case. Okay, that's, I don't want to do the nest. Let's keep it that way.